Cheetahs are one of the most fascinating predators in the animal kingdom. Known for their incredible speed, they can reach up to 75 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making them the fastest land animals on Earth. Their long, slender bodies and lightweight frames are perfectly designed for sprinting, allowing them to outrun almost any prey. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs rely on their agility and acceleration rather than brute strength to catch their food. One of the cheetah's most impressive features is its flexible spine, which acts like a spring, helping it take massive strides while running. With each bound, a cheetah can cover up to 22 feet, making its movement both powerful and efficient. Its large nasal passages and lungs allow it to take in more oxygen, keeping it energized during high-speed chases. However, cheetahs can only maintain their top speed for short bursts, usually lasting no more than 30 seconds before they must slow down to recover. Cheetahs are also known for their sharp eyesight, which helps them spot prey from great distances. Their distinctive black, tear marks, running from their eyes to their mouth help reduce glare from the sun, allowing them to focus better during hunts. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs hunt during the day, using their keen vision to track and ambush their targets. Despite their speed and skill, cheetahs face many dangers in the wild. Larger predators like lions and hyenas often steal their kills, and habitat destruction has reduced their numbers significantly. Today, fewer than 7,000 cheetahs remain in the wild, making conservation efforts crucial to their survival. Cheetahs are truly remarkable creatures, showcasing a perfect balance of speed, agility, and precision. If you're fascinated by wildlife, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts.